Hey everyone, it's Shannon from Pop and Polish, and today we are diving right into a SHEIN nail haul. We are starting with a color series from Gubofu, I believe is how it's pronounced. And if that's not how it's pronounced, I'm sorry. But Gubofu, this is their Dopamine color series, and I purchased it really thinking of spring, summer colors. Actually, most of this nail haul is with the spring, summer intentions. And I am also going to swatch all the polishes that you see in this nail haul, and I'm going to try a lot of the accessories as well, so you can see if they are worth purchasing or if they are how they look in the product pictures. So this is the first color series. Now we have the first set of stickers. These are some cute lips because while they might not be spring or summer specific, when do you not want really, I don't know, cute lips? These are the first spring summer stickers. The first one are watermelon. I love watermelon. And the second is citrus, oranges and lemons and limes. I can't wait. Then I got some transfer foil. I haven't really used transfer foil quite like this before, where it's a pattern. So again, thinking of spring and summer, I focused on florals, and I am really excited to try these out for you later in the video because they just look so pretty. Next, we have more citrus and berry stickers. These are my favorite citrus and berry stickers. There's a really nice texture to them, and they have some really pretty detail. Like, these are really high quality stickers, if I'm being very honest. I cannot wait to use these. And again, the texture was cool. Next, we have these cactus stickers. Cactus, cacti, I don't know. But they are exactly like the product photo. These are gorgeous. And like the other stickers, they also have a little bit of a texture to them that you can feel, and they just are very high quality. Then I got a cat eye polish because I'm trying to build up my cat eye polish collection. Again, I will swatch this later in the video so you can see how it looks and make your own judgments. Then I got this Russian matte top coat, and this is for doing isolated chrome. Apparently, a Russian matte top coat is better for isolated chrome than regular matte top coat, but I'm not showing this in the video. I'll do it in a different video. Then I got these lilac stickers. I just think these are going to look gorgeous with like a pale kind of milky lavender nail polish. I think will look so nice with these. This is the transfer polish, and I got a polygel and some nail forms because this is something I want to start trying to do. I've never done this before, but I want to do it in the future. So I got these with the intention of doing these really cute ballet nails, and these bows are just so pretty. Again, they looked exactly like the product description. Then I got two glow-in-the-dark polishes. This is obviously a blue polish, and again, it's supposed to glow in the dark. And this is a really nice purple polish. And again, this too is supposed to glow in the dark, and I'll swatch them later in the video. Then stay with me here. I got some bug stickers, insect stickers, whatever you want to call it. Some insect stickers. I don't know. I just have a feeling this is going to be on trend later in the spring. Then I got a new top coat, base coat, and matte top coat just to try a different brand. These are my favorite nail forms for myself personally, and then some ballerina nail forms to try out. These are stencil stickers. I got these just out of curiosity, and I will try these later in the video to let you know how the stencil stickers work. There were several different designs in the package, and I will try one later on to show you how it works or if it works. Then I got some spider gels. I've never had spider gels before. Again, I'm just a new amateur DIY nail artist. So I wanted to start building my collection of things that I haven't used before, but I'll try these later in the video. And these are my favorite stickers of the entire haul. These are the ladybug, bee, and little flower stickers. They are gorgeous. Again, there's a little texture, there's a little bit of sparkle. These are going to be so fabulous to use in the spring and summer. So now let's get to swatching. So I'm starting with the green from the Dopamine series. It went on so smooth. It was really creamy, really thick, very opaque. And I'm quite pleased with the color. I think this is a very good springtime green color, and I think it'll work well for what I was looking for. And again, that's just one coat. Look at that coverage. Then we have the purple. I do have a lot of purples, but I don't quite have a purple that's this color. I'll be honest, I was hoping for a little bit of a brighter purple, but I do have space in my collection for a purple like this. But I'll be honest, I was hoping for a brighter purple. But again, really thick formula, nice consistency, and that's just one coat. You could probably get away with just doing one coat. Then we have the blue. I love blue right now. And I do like how bright this one is. I think it's bright enough. I will say all the colors of this series look brighter on my camera than they did in person. Like in person, all of these looked a little bit more muted. I don't know if it's just my lighting or my camera that's making them look a little bit brighter, but they don't quite look that bright in person. So this I was hoping was going to be a yellow, and instead it fully just looks like a mustard. Like it looks like a Dijon mustard. A honey Dijon mustard is what it looks like. Because honestly, this is what I mean. This looks way brighter and more yellow on camera, whereas in person, I'm not going to lie, it was giving brown vibes. Then the orange, I was hoping for an orange that was closer to the color of the bottle. And, you know, this is still a great orange. I'll be very happy to have it come Halloween, but not quite what I was looking for in terms of springtime nail polishes. But again, really good polish for what it is. Like it went on beautifully. It's thick, it's opaque. And it's a nice color. It's just not the springtime orange I was looking for. But then we have this color, which let me know in the comments if you think this is red or pink, because I genuinely don't know what to call it. Sometimes I'm calling it red, sometimes I'm calling it pink, but I think we can all agree it's gorgeous. It is a gorgeous color. This was probably the color I was most happy with in the series in terms of it being perfect for summer, perfect for spring. Like honestly, envision those watermelon stickers with this polish color. Just gorgeous. Then we have the pink, and this was a womp womp. Like, what is that? That is not the color on the bottle whatsoever. I do realize now looking at it, it's closer to the color on the cap, but I was hoping for a pink that was like the color on the bottle, and this was like very gray. Like it had very gray undertones, this pink. So again, there's a space for it in my collection, but not what I was looking for. Overall, happy to add these colors to my collections, but you know. Then we get into the cat eye polish. It is a nice purple. I kind of envision putting this under I kind of envision putting this over top of a black polish or maybe a burgundy. I'm just adding to my cat polish collection. So this was just really pretty actually. I think it went on well. I think it was quite thick. It spread well. I didn't have to play with it too much. And then I think the cat eye effect was quite lovely. Like look at that. It's pretty. And this is what it looks like cured. Next, I'm going to be swatching the glow in the dark polishes. So this is the glow in the dark blue polish. Oh, isn't that just beautiful on its own? Like this is what I meant when I said I was looking for like bright spring colors. This is like a nice bright spring blue in my opinion. And again, it was quite opaque. It went on quite smooth. And this is the purple glow in the dark, and this is beautiful. Like, this is the purple that I wish had been in the Gubofu color series. Again, just a little brighter. The other one was quite muted, so I'm happy, like, even if this doesn't glow very well, I think it's a really pretty purple, and so I'll use it that way. While the glow in the dark nails cure, I'm going to show you the transfer foil and how that worked and how that turned out. So I'm using this beautiful blue flower one first. This is my first time using a patterned transfer foil like these, so it was my first time applying it, so let's keep that in mind, that I just hadn't really used this before. I definitely think it's one of those things where you'll just get better with the application process the more you do it, but regardless, I'm actually very pleased with how these transfer foils worked. Like, look how pretty that is, especially on that blue. Oh my goodness, cannot wait to do a set of nails with those. Just so pretty. Very pleased with this transfer foil. Now I'm trying out the spider gel, and again, I'm using the pink from the Gubofu, and look how muted that is. Honestly, the more I look at it, the more I'm disappointed. But let's play with the spider gel. And again, this is my first time ever using spider gel, so I'm just kind of going for it. But I think it worked out really well. It's definitely a good product. I would absolutely recommend, and I'm excited to try the other ones. These are the stencil stickers. I don't know why I grabbed the mustard yellow, but I did. And then I accidentally grabbed the 4-leaf clover, which isn't quite what I meant to grab, but all of a sudden there we were. And again, I've never used these before, so I don't know. I grabbed the green because it was 4-leaf clovers. It just looks yucky. In the future, I think I'll try curing it first before taking off the stencil. I think maybe that would have helped, because really that was a bit of a womp womp too. But I'll try it again. Now let's see the glow in the dark results. So this is the first try. So I added a second coat to both the purple and the blue, put them under the UV lamp. And this was attempt number 2. The blue worked quite well. And this was attempt number 3 after another 60 seconds under the cure lamp. Thank you for joining me in my nail haul. I hope you enjoyed. If you made it this far, please consider subscribing to my channel to see more nail art, to see more nail hauls. Tell me which product is your favorite, and I'll see you in the next video.